இது நம்ம ஐயா கோச்சிங் சென்டர். வாங்க படிக்கலாம்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
Today we'll see epistasis. What is meant by epistasis? Interaction between genes present at two separate loci in which one gene suppresses or masks the other gene. In which this one gene suppresses or masks the other gene. And the gene which suppresses or masks the other gene is called as inhibiting gene. And the gene which is suppressed by the inhibiting gene is called as hypostatic gene. Then there are two types of epistasis, dominant epistasis and recessive epistasis. First we'll see dominant epistasis. In dominant epistasis, for example, this dominant allele A of one gene mask or hide effect of another gene, that is B, and expresses itself phenotypically. So which character is expressed? This dominant allele character is only expressed. The B allele will be expressed. Then what about the B allele, that is the gene B, when it will express? No, only when the A has two recessive alleles. In this, the A has dominant allele, means that this will mask the gene B. But when the A allele is present in recessive condition, then the B allele will be expressed. You can see here, this is capital A, capital A, capital B, and this capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital A, small b, then capital A, small b, small b. These produces same genotype. You can see here, this is dominant, here also dominant, can see. Next, next you see small a, see the gene allele is which is in the A gene is now in what condition? Recessive condition. See here, this A gene is recessive condition and it produces additional phenotype. And now only which can expresses itself? This B gene can express itself only when A is in recessive condition. Then the ratio of dominant epistasis, it's a modified ratio of Mendel's dihybrid cross. You know the ratio of Mendel's dihybrid cross, that is phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1, but it is modified into 12:3:1 in dominant epistasis. Let us see one example for a dominant epistasis. That is, see the parent. This example for this is fruit color of summer squash. Fruit color of summer squash. That is Cucurbita pepo. Cucurbita pepo. See, usually the color is governed by dominant. Yellow color is governed by dominant gene Y. Yellow color is governed by dominant gene capital Y, and green color small y. Green color small y. At the same time, the W is an epistatic gene. Epistatic gene which masks the expression of which color? Yellow color. Now we will see here. See, this is the parent and this is also parent. See, the gamete is capital Y, capital W, capital Y, small w, small y. Now the F1 progeny is, you can see here, capital W, small w, capital Y, small y. Then what is the color of the fruit? This is what color? No, white color. White color. Which is the epistatic gene? W, capital W is the epistatic gene. So it prevents the formation of yellow color fruit and the color of the fruit is white color. Next, when it is selfed, when the F1 progeny is selfed, we will see the ratio now. When F1 progeny is selfed, we can see the ratio, whatever progenies we got. See, you can see here, these are the gametes, male gametes, female gametes when it is crossed. See here, capital Y, small y, capital W, small w, capital Y, then capital W, small w, capital Y, small y, then capital W, capital W, capital Y, small y, capital W, small y, then capital W, small w, capital Y, small y, capital W, small y, small y, then capital W, small w, capital Y, capital W, small w, capital Y, small y, capital Y, then small y, capital Y, small y, capital W, small w, capital Y, small y, capital W, small w, small y, then small w, capital Y, small y, small w, small y, small y. Now let us see how many white color fruit and how many yellow color fruit and how many green color fruit. See, since this is dominant, W is the epistatic gene which masks the effect of Y gene. So it cannot produce the yellow color. So this is what color fruit? This is white color fruit. And you can see here, this is also white color. This is also white. 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 This one. Then this one. This one is also white. Since it is in recessive condition, the color of the fruit is yellow. This is also recessive condition. The color of the fruit is yellow. And here white color fruit. And here also white color fruit. And here yellow color and green color. So the ratios you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many white color fruit? 12 white color fruit and 3 yellow color fruit and 1 green color fruit. That's all about dominant epistasis.